Hola chicos! In this video, we are going to be talking about ordinal numbers or números ordinales. What are they? Let's try to cover it. Okay, ordinal numbers. That's a big word, but here is the plain definition. Ordinal numbers are like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. We're only going to go up to 10th. We don't need to go any further than that. So we're going to learn how to express first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so on and so forth, up until 10th. All right, here we go. So we have los números ordinales, starting with first. And why are we learning these? Well, we are talking about cooking, right? And in cooking, there's a first step, a second step, a third step, so on and so forth, right? And so when you guys are working on your cooking projects and you are teaching someone how to cook your favorite food, you need to be able to say, okay, first, you do this. Second, do this. Third, do this, right? So that's why we're learning these, because you're going to incorporate them into your steps for making food. So to say first, we say primero. First is primero. Now, remember, these are able to change with like masculine or feminine. So like if I was, for example, my brother is the firstborn in our family, or el primero hijo, and I'm the first daughter, la primera hija. But in here, we're talking about pasos or steps. So in steps, we're just going to use the masculine form. So that's why I'm only showing you that. But we have first, which is primero, second, segundo, third, tercero, fourth, which is cuarto, which is also the word for room. Cuarto has a lot of meanings in Spanish. Fifth, which is quinto. Sixth, which is sexto. Seventh, séptimo. Eighth, octavo. Ninth, noveno. And 10th, décimo. And that is all of our ordinal numbers that we'll be using. Remember, we're just using the masculine form because we're just simply talking about steps. And so we don't need the feminine form of these in there. But if you did need to use the feminine form because you're describing the first of something feminine or the sixth of something feminine, you just swap out the O for an A to make it feminine. But in this case, we only really need the masculine versions because we will be talking about the steps for doing something, which defaults to the masculine form of these ordinal numbers. All right. Hasta luego, guys. Make sure to record these in your guided notes, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.